Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today's video I am showing you guys how my Hotlogic mini oven works. With Teacher Appreciation Week coming up along with Mother's Day, I thought that I would share my little mini oven with you all. Once again, if you haven't checked out my other video where I did the unboxing and I showed you guys my first actual meal in this, be sure to check it out. It will be in my description box down below. Not only is this cute little bag a mini oven, it also came with a little container that you all can reuse to put in here. Now, what I want to try today is a TV dinner because they work just the same. So when I open up my refrigerator, I have 3 meals and I have to really make a huge decision this morning to figure out which one it is I want to take with me for lunch today and try in my little mini oven. So in here I have my 3 meals. I have the Smart One slow roasted turkey breast. This one has the classic pan gravy and garlic herb mashed potatoes. Or I could take my Smart One's 3 cheese ziti marinara. But I also have a Stouffer's rigatoni with chicken and pesto. I'm not sure which one I want to take today, but I'm definitely going to give all 3 of these a try in my mini Hotlogic mini oven. So I think for today I am going to take the rigatoni with chicken and pesto. Okay, so simply how this is going to work is I am going to unzip it and open it up. On the inside, it is the platform that is going to heat it up. If you guys would like to see what it looks like, this is what it looks like. It's just like a little portable mini heater. The cord is on the back side that keeps, this just keeps it tucked in right here on the back. And all you have to do is I'll have to just open up this meal, place it in here, and turn it on at least 2 hours before my lunch. So yeah, I'll have to put it in the Hotlogic mini oven 2 hours at least before my lunch. So I'm going to show you guys some of the things that I'll pack today. So that'll be for lunch. Now I do want a bag of chips. So I did buy me and the kiddos the big bag of chips, and I think I'm gonna go with these cheddar and sour cream chips into the bag. I also need to make sure that I have some water in here. So these are the Owala water bottles. They are definitely my favorite. I highly encourage you guys to get one. Like I said, it also makes a great teacher's gift if you get her one of these. So the smallest one is probably anywhere from $19 to $22, and then the next size up is anywhere from $24 to $27. And then if you get the bigger one, that is about $32. So it's totally up to you. With that being said, I also am going to take this Chobani flip. This is the confetti birthday cake flavor. It's new. It just has like the little stuff in here, and I'll show you guys that later along with the meal. Alright, so I have a Gatorade. This is the Glacier cherry flavor, and then I also have a Danimals birthday cake flavored that I can put into my lunch. Now I just need to fill this up like I said I was going to. So it has water in here. The good thing with these bottles is that it keeps your stuff cold. Keeps everything cold for at least 24 hours. So I like to add the ice in first and then put the top on, and then just open up the spout and add water through here, because otherwise I'm not gonna get my straw down in here because of the ice. So I'll just simply add some water really quickly. And I noticed that if you If you fill this all the way up with water and ice, it's hard to get it open when you're ready to drink some, just because the pressure from like the water and the ice together kind of like sticks. But anyways, that is mostly what I am packing today for my lunch, because of the simple fact that I already have chips in here and I already have like a yogurt. It's really impossible to see what else it is I would like to take. Probably a pack of fruit snacks. So I'll just grab one of those. There we go. Say that I got something. So I hope that you all stay tuned to see my Hotlogic mini oven meal for today. And like I said, I'll have the link and code in my description box down below for this Hotlogic mini oven. And let me just say, you're going to want to order one yourself, because this is like not even my first time using it. This will be like my third or fourth time using it. And the only problem is that I didn't get the opportunity to use this all year long, and I wish that I did, especially because I was meal planning, meal prepping in order to you know, just survive through the year without going out too much. So here we go.
He did it on Friday too. I don't know if it's having a short haircut.
I hope that you all enjoyed seeing my Hotlogic mini oven meal for today. I hope that you also got to enjoy seeing what it is I packed for lunch. So I hope that you all enjoyed getting to see the two items that I wanted to also mention for Teacher Appreciation Week, as it is something great to get them. So both of those links in my description box down below, along with the code. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and also don't be afraid to subscribe.